Good morning, Level 2 geographers. This morning we are changing tack, so we've moved on from the physical aspects of the Amazon rainforest, and we're going to be moving on to the human interactions that are going on in the Amazon rainforest. This is the last few lessons on 2.1, and then we'll be moving on to 2.7 prep. So I'm just here on our class page to show you where you need to find the information on the human interactions in the Amazon rainforest. So as you go down, this is all my posts that I've been doing over the week and previously. Go down to the course outline here. Click on 2.1 Natural Environment. There's a lot of info here about the Amazon rainforest. Okay, a really good place to go if you've missed work or you need a little bit of refreshing on some of the information. As you scroll down, you'll find a link to folders, and you'll see human interactions with the Amazon environment. Click on that. Then I've written up little instructions for you here. If you ever start to lose tact, or you start to lose what you're doing, just read this again and you'll figure out what you need to do. What I've said is that we need to know two different types of groups that interact with the Amazon environment. I've suggested that those two groups are the Brazilian government and one of the Amazon tribes. So with that, we need to have two that have contrasting views. So the Brazilian government and the Yanomami people do have contrasting views, and then one of those groups also needs to have a changing perspective, and that's really good to have the Brazilian government as that changing perspective. Down here is all the information that you need. It's a booklet that I created for us, but obviously right now we're in lockdown, so I can't get that booklet to you. 1, 2, 2, 3, 2.2, and then 3 and 4, that sort of numbers how they go in terms of chapters. So 1, 2, 2.1 and 2.2, and then 3 and 4. So what I want you to do today, okay, is I want you to look at 1, Intro to Human Interactions. Okay, have a read through this. This is about all different interactions that go on in the Amazon environment with humans as well. Okay, so there's a number of them. Remember, we only need 2, but I just wanted to give you a bit of a holistic view, holistic meaning overall view of all the different interactions that are going on. So this is just a fill the gaps activity. You can do that, and then down here with all that information, you can actually start filling out this grid here for all the different areas like rubber tappers, various tribes of the Amerindians, Brazilian government, and then over here I believe it's Brazilian government again, international companies, and farmers and things like that. Bit more information there for you to do. Okay, the two perspectives, this is where it starts to get into what we actually need to do. And then we talk about changing perspectives in the Brazilian government. If you can do that today, fill that out, that would be great. For those people that are working really, really well and want a little bit more of a challenge, start having a look at deforestation in the Amazon rainforest, start having a look at chapter 2. Open that up real quickly. Talks about the deforestation, the current state of deforestation in the Amazon rainforest. Just one last thing there on that. It does say research the latest deforestation in the Amazon rainforest. See what the latest information you can get from it is, and we'll have a little discussion about that when we get back. So 1 and 2 today. So if I go back again for you, just really quickly, try to do 1. Well, definitely do 1, and then if you're working well, have a look at 2 and research the current deforestation in the Amazon rainforest. Good stuff, guys. Enjoy today.